Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I am going to answer the question, why does your EARFUN Air Pro 4 so quiet? And firstly I recommend it to clean the grill. So you can remove ear tip. Right here we have the grill. The same for the right earbud, and you just slightly clean it with a brush, or if you haven't cleaning tool you can use a toothbrush. And after you clean it, check, is it fixed? If it doesn't, maybe the problem is your earbuds just too old, or maybe you need to contact customer service. But if you have this problem with only one earbud, I have solution for you. It's not totally fixed, but it will help you. Is to change audio balance. Firstly, I will show you how to do this on Apple device, and then I will move to Android. But some Android phones have system what visually more similar to iOS, so maybe you need to check this part to find a similar path. But maybe you don't. Okay, so on your iPhone, open settings, and then we need to go to accessibility, what located under the general settings. So enter into accessibility, not the camera, accessibility. Then scroll down, and in the hearing we have audio and visual line. Tap at this line, then scroll down, and right here we have audio balance. If you have the problem with the left earbud, you need to move this dot to the left, but you need to find a good balance, so you need to test it. We increase the volume for the left earbud, but lower it for the right earbud. If you use 100% on your left earbud, you will totally mute sound on your right earbud. If you have this problem with the right earbud, you just move this dot to the right. Again, you need to find a good balance, because again, we increase the volume for the left earbud, for the right earbud, but lower it for the left earbud. And that's it for iOS. Now let's move to Android. On your Android, we need to go to the settings, then to accessibility. I have stock Android, and right here it's located at the bottom. So I need to scroll down, enter to accessibility, then scroll down again, and at the bottom we will find audio adjustment. Tap at this line, and right here we have audio balance. If you have the problem with the right earbud, you just move this dot to the right, but you need to find a good balance here. We just increase the volume for the right, but lower it for the left earbud. If you use 100% on your right earbud, you will totally mute sound on your left earbud. If you have this problem with the left earbud, you just move this dot to the left, and again you need to find a good balance. We just increase the volume for the left, but lower it for the right. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!